The Level 1 and Level 2 certification exams are both written from a platform agnostic perspective, meaning it doesn't matter if you use a Mac, PC, or Chromebook. You won't get any test questions that are platform specific. However, you may get a couple of questions on the Chrome browser. These questions are usually pretty straightforward, and you probably will only get one or two of them. One question that commonly comes up is interacting with Chrome extensions, installing them, removing them, or sharing them with someone else. So we're going to go ahead and visit the Chrome Webstore and install an extension together. We're going to use the Omnibox to visit the Chrome Webstore. Now, if you hear that word, Omnibox, it sounds super fancy and sophisticated. All the Omnibox is this search bar at the top of your screen. You use this every day, thousands of times a day probably. That is the Omnibox. We're just going to search for Chrome Webstore. And this is where you will install and remove Chrome extensions. We can search for one. One of my favorites is called EasyBib. It's a fun extension for citing websites, creating citations. You can click on the extension, tells a little more about it. You can look at the reviews, how many people downloaded it, and eventually, if you like it, you simply need to click Add to Chrome. That's a chance they may ask you to do something like that, and it'll tell you what this extension can do. I'll go ahead and click Add, and shortly your extension will appear up there at the top of your screen. Now, there's a chance that you may be asked to share this extension with someone else. Now, it's kind of strange, but there is no actual share button on the Chrome Web Store page. Like you won't see a share button. If you want to share this with someone, you would simply copy the URL and compose an email, a Google Meet chat, a Google document, post it in Google Classroom as a announcement or a material post, like whatever they ask you to do. You just need to get that link to the person who would be benefit from it. That's really all you need to know about the Chrome Web Store. Getting there, installing an extension. Your extensions are up here at the top right of your screen. If by chance they want you to uninstall an extension, simply go up here, right-click on the extension in question, and that's where you'll see the Remove from Chrome button. That's all you need to know about Google Chrome on the Level 2 test.